You shake your head, good. You do a bit of that as well. You sit up, hope, or lay down. Hope you roll again. You stay there, that's good. Sequel, you up too, quick. Quick, your brother's going to get up. Sequel. Sequel. Quickly. Quickly. You're supposed to look like a pet. Oh, see Hope get up. Sequel's a dog as well. Excellent. I didn't have control over any of that. But I noticed if you point your fingers, that's what Crocodile Dundee did, and it works. Thank you very much. So we'll leave them here. This little boy here is special. Now if you look at him, you might think, well, he doesn't look too special. Those other horses look stronger, they look bigger, they look more powerful. This fella here is the strongest horse for weight for kilograms that I've ever ridden. He's just so incredibly strong where he can put his body and what he can do. Just keep an eye on these three here, because Pride has never lived with these two horses there. She's only just started with Pride's going, oh, I'll get in that, but what she doesn't know is those boys would belt her if I wasn't in the arena. So I'm going to come and start to work on them now. And just grab my whip here. Thank you. Now I use this whip very much like they're using their teeth. I can use the whip here in a way that is non-threatening. That's how they're doing it with the whip now. I can rub with the whip the same as they are with their teeth, but if they want to get dominant on each other, they'll actually bite with those teeth, and that's what the whip is doing now. So just because I have a whip in my hand and a spur on my leg and a whip in my hand here, doesn't mean like you have to be aggressive with it. Horses' teeth can be used as a scratching thing, like what you saw there, very much like a brush, or they can be used to take skin off, and these horses have the ability to do both. So I make sure when I work with them that I get only the soft things from them. They're not to use their teeth or their feet anytime I work with them for anything else but travelling around like that there. So all three horses at a trot. Now I'll lift all three horses at a canter. You've got the boys at the back. Pride says, but my trot's the prettiest thing I do. Look how I point my toes, I'm such a cutie. Why aren't people clapping? My trot is beautiful. So I'm going to have to really hump those boys up because Pride's not wanting to canter, and she needs to canter. Don't jump out, Pride. That was a cue. I'm going to stop here and see which horse wants to be the biggest teacher's pet. It's a race. Good old Hope. Sequel, get in line. Pride, you go to the toilet, please. Oh, what a horseman. Mitch, you grab the rake. This is going awesome. Fantastic. So, Pride, you need to get over here. Good. So, this just shows you how strong the pony I am on is, because he's got to go underneath. You've got to push all these horses around. It's very difficult. Oh. So Mitch, if you can just grab that manure for me, please, mate, that'll be fantastic. Thanks, Mitch. Where you go? Come on, we haven't got all day. You want me to do it? Okay, we'll get off of there. Good boy. So I'll get Mitch to pick up with long, strong swoops there. That's good. Now I'll get him to open his shirt up and pour it down his top. You're a good boy. Thanks, mate. Okay, so I'm going to ride into the centre.